Halal recipe imeletwa kwako na unga wa dola. Unga wa dola, kitu shwari.
Assalamu alaikum, welcome to another episode of Halal Recipe. I'm your chef Afra Kadir, and today we'll be making banana cake or bread. Same recipe. So for today my ingredients are flour, melted butter, sugar, milk, 1 egg, vanilla and baking powder. To start with, we have banana. I'll peel off, we just need 1 banana. Okay, now I'll put my melted butter. Milk. Vanilla. Okay, so I've put the wet ingredients except from the egg. Now I'll start by mashing the banana. And you need a ripe banana for this recipe. Mine is not very ripe, but it is ripe. So if you get a very ripe banana, that's very good for banana bread or cake. So we're going to mash it, then add egg, and then the dry ingredients. Make sure you mash the banana properly. Okay, so now we're ready to add in our egg. Okay, I'll mix this. We'll add sugar, flour, baking powder. Okay, give it a proper mix. Okay, so before you start with your mixing, make sure you preheat your oven at 170 degrees. Then bake the banana bread. So I've done that. I've preheated my oven for 170 degrees. And now we're going to bake the bread. We'll be taking a short break. When we come back, I'll be showing you how the banana bread looks like. So before we take a short break, I'll just put the mixture into the tin. I lined up the tin with greaseproof. So I'm just going to pour it in. Make sure you remove everything from the bowl to avoid wasting. Okay. So now I've put the mixture into the tin, and now we're going to bake it. I have now put the bread into the oven, and now we'll give it a few minutes, so we'll take a short break. Welcome back, and now banana cake is ready. So I'm going to go hop to the oven and get the banana cake and show you guys how it looks. Okay, so a banana cake is ready, or bread. So now I'm just going to pull this to make work easy for me and place it here. And we're going to slice it. You can remove it from the plate, not the plate, the grease proof, but I'm just going to cut it here, just so we could see how it is inside. To me it looks really yummy. I've not even tried it, just the smell. This is how it looks like. As you can see, it's very nice, not dry, it's moist, and it also is caramelized. So we can try. Just take a small piece. So the banana cake is really nice. If you guys don't like banana, then this is not a recipe for you, but if you do like, please make this and share your reviews with me, or your comments or anything. And if you guys don't understand anything, please ask me. You can comment on the social medias that will be popping on the screen. And also don't forget to give my channel a thumbs up, and I hope to see you guys next time. See you.
Halal recipe imeletwa kwako na unga wa dola. Unga wa dola, kitu shwari.